Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Boolean to string method. So what it does, you can check a Boolean to a string. So let me show you. Create a Boolean like something like flag equals. You can do by two way. First you can do like true. You can do this, but I'm not gonna do in this case because you need to understand that boolean isn't also an object, so true. And if I log it on a console, the flag dot to to string, so you can see that's what the heck. What? Oh yeah, that's why. Yeah, as you can see, it's a string. How you can really understand? You can't see any quotation beside that, so how you gonna see that? Var, we're gonna change into a variable, put it inside a variable, and what I'm gonna do, check the type of s. Oh, that's a long. Wait, what? Yeah. How I can forgot that. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see now, it is now it's a string. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.